One of the races you'll vote on this November is one you probably have not given much thought to. 3 races will determine the balance of power on the Ohio Supreme Court. And if you're not sure just how much of an impact this will have on your life, the answer is a lot more than you realize. Caitlin McCarthy takes a look at the ways the court's makeup can affect your rights.
The Ohio Supreme Court races this year are the most important in a generation, if not longer.
Voters have a lot to consider when deciding who they want filling the seats in the Ohio Supreme Court. As it stands, 4 Democrat and 3 Republican members make up the Ohio Supreme Court. But this election could shift the balance of power.
In this case, the Supreme Court is almost an extension of all these other major elections we've had over, again, everything from reproductive freedom to democracy itself. This court will define the results in many ways of those elections.
A number of issues are going to the court in the coming years, including the abortion rights amendment that passed last year.
It didn't mean that all of Ohio's anti-abortion laws just suddenly magically go away. It means that each one of those laws now will be challenged in court, and it will be up to the Supreme Court ultimately to decide which of those laws are constitutional and which are not.
To illustrate the point, remember when Ohio's legislative maps were ruled unconstitutional? The maps didn't change, but one vote on the court did. Now they're legal.
We're talking education, taxes, the role of government, police authority. There's a number of issues. And as I say, these are issues that aren't just academic, but really affect the lives of every member and every resident in Ohio.
The Ohio Supreme Court race is the only one in the nation where the majority of a state Supreme Court could switch hands. With more local news, I'm Caitlin McCarthy.